How to use Bing AI image generator. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI image generator. So for that, first thing first, all you have to do is just go to your preferred browser, and here on the search bar just search for Bing AI image generator, and it should be the first one that comes, and just type Bing AI image generator. And after that, just open the first link right here, and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Bing official website. And all you want to do is just log in with your account. And after that, you have to give a prompt to the AI in order to generate an image that you would like to see. So you can also see the references right here with the prompt in the media page, where there are so many AI images out there. So I'm just gonna write a prompt here. So let's type Christmas theme cupcakes with Christmas theme background. And after that, all you have to do is just click on create. And now it will gonna take some time to load the prompt that you have mentioned over here, and the Bing will create 4 images for you. You can select any of them according to your choice. So now, as you can see, that it has created the cupcake image as I wrote the prompt for the same. So you can click on the image and see it on big screen as well. Look how beautiful and high quality images that Bing has just created for me. So this is how simple it is to create AI generated image on Bing. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.